it. Sergio Busquets. They've got another chance here. The through pass not finding its man, it's been cleared for a throw. The near post. Luis Adriano. Now get possession here. Griezmann. Went down but no whistle. Cuts it off. It's another clearance. If the referee gives in a dangerous area, it could be costly. Just over the crossbar.
It was a great position, but he's managed to miss it completely.
Okay. Clean on. Rakitic. Jordi Alba. Griezmann. Well, we lost it there. Picked up the ball. Can he find a finish? Rakitic. Jordi Alba. Have another chance. Away from the danger area and into touch. Here's another good opportunity and cleared again. Oh, the referee indicates that the offence took place outside the area. It's only a free kick. Pereira. Phil Jones. In the box. Oh, easily cut out. Griezmann.